Okay. Back at you. We're another Monday, bright and early. Just pulled up here. A lot of stuff to do this week once again. I don't even know what day of the job it is anymore, but we're here. And we got to finish our drywall this week. We're hoping to spray the knockdown, which puts the texture on the walls. Hoping to get our cabinets installed. We got the siding getting started tomorrow. It's going to be awesome when this house is re-sided. It's really going to look a lot different. So got a bunch of guys working this week, and hopefully everything goes smooth. So let's get it. We got the Durock up in the shower. Getting ready to put the tile on top of that. Master closet. We got Rachel's getting ready room over here. Coming along. Sealing up the office window here. This is where the old slider used to be. Okay, ripping off the old soffit here. Getting ready for the new stuff. And wrapping the whole house in our moisture barrier. Getting it ready for the new siding. Can't wait. What's up? Alright guys, back in Largo picking up our tile, backsplash, and cabinet knobs. So, looking forward to see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks like what we picked out, but I mean, I don't know. Just excited to have it. That means it can go up. That's good stuff. Means we're moving. Let's go! Oh yeah. Look at this stuff. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, got everything laid out here so we can see where this beautiful accent tile is going to end up on the shower wall. Sean, the talented tile expert, is doing his thing, getting this shower looking good. We found some water damage. Not good. So the first thing we need to do is get Mr. Ivan here to cut a big hole in the ceiling so I can fit my big old head up in there and see what the heck's going on.
So we'll do it like from here to the end of that 4 foot.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not taking this whole thing out. I'm just taking a certain amount.
That'll work.
So let's say.
Okay, so we figured out what the culprit is here. You can see all these little shreds. Means like a rat or something has been biting through all this Armaflex they wrap around the AC line here. So we'll just get the AC guy out here to rewrap this and it'll be good as new. What? She just passed the house. She doesn't know where we live. Look up. The other way. With the house way. Look at the house. A new siding. Look, the new Soffit too. Oh, look at your shadow.
Looks so good.
Isn't it nice?
Holy poop sticks. Can I go in it?
You could stand in it if you want, yeah. Just watch your feet. Could be sharp stuff. Time to pick out some paint! Here, look, you guys can be in the vlog.
Hey, all right.
You guys are gonna be famous.